it is me, Avery. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'm going to be doing something super fun. And I am so hyped because I have never done this for 2 years. Alright, so today in this video we're going to be doing the recreating my old makeup from 2015 challenge, because I know that's a long sentence, but in 2015 I was starting my collection of makeup, and right here I have everything I had before. It's been 3 years and I still have this crap. It's embarrassing, but we have everything laid out right here. Today I'm going to show you guys how I did my makeup in 2015, and it was pretty sad. I had no YouTube. I had no parents telling me what was wrong, because they were always like, oh, you just do you, honey, be yourself. That's what my parents always told me. You know what, can anybody else crack? My parents always wanted me to be myself, so I just had fun with all my drugstore makeup here. And the one thing that was gifted to me was the Park Avenue Princess. This is my first high-end lip gloss, and I stole my mom's What's Up, and I stole my mom's Clinique concealer and the foundation brush. I had a foundation brush, but it fell apart. But let's get started with the routine, guys. So the first thing that I would do is take an EOS, which I had to get a new one because it was 3 years old. So this is a newer one. It's like a coconut EOS. Before I just used the honeysuckle honeydew. Yeah, but that's 3 years old, so I'm not going to use it. Then the next thing I would do was take my brow pencil here, and I'm just going to grab one of the mirrors that I had. And look, guys, this powder is falling apart at the seams. It is so screwed up. So I would take this Revlon Brow Fantasy in dark blonde, because my hair used to be blonde, so this is going to look pretty weird. And I would just literally draw in a line. This feels crazy. That got pretty dark, so I would just draw lines. Then I took the gel and I just went up. Now, mind you, this was before I even trimmed my brows with brow trimming scissors. So this gel feels like there's paint on my brows. It's not even a good product. Don't even buy this. The pencil is this short now. It was out to here, okay? And I barely ever used it anyway. So I just thought that was stupid. Now, then I would take the What's Up shimmer stick. It's a shimmer stick, okay? And I would just
go like this. I would draw 2 lines under my eyes, and then I would
blend it barely. So you just have these shimmer strips under your eyes, alright? And the next really stupid thing that I did was I took my CoverGirl concealer. Now, can somebody explain Clinique? You can't tell, okay? This one's Clinique, but I'm going to take the CoverGirl one, and it's in light pale. You guys probably can't even find this at Walgreens anymore. And I would do this, watch. I would go under the eyes, like this. I'm going to probably give myself an eye infection with all this. I would go over the nose, like that. I would go on the lip. I would go on the chin, right? And then I would do lines above my eyebrows. Then I would take this foundation brush that's older. By the way, this is not my color. And I would barely blend it around on my face, because I thought, well, why do I have to if it
why do I have to if it
my Dream Fresh BB Cream foundation. I would just
smack it on my hands.
I don't know why I did concealer first, but this is how I did everything, alright guys? I took this concealer, and I took a dry beauty blender, dry one, wasn't even very good. I would dab it on my face like this, and then I would take the back and go like this. Next thing I would do is go in with more What's Up and put that on my nose and then just smear it. I'd also put a bit right here. This powder here, it's the Clean CoverGirl powder in the shade Creamy Natural 120. I would take this Ulta Beauty brush here, rub it around. Now, I haven't tossed out any of my brushes because why would you throw out brushes unless they fall apart, like seriously. So I rub it around because this powder is not good at all. So when I was like rubbing it, there would be no powder coming off, so I'd rub it a lot. And then I would just dab it in on the face. Pretty self-explanatory, it's powder, you know. Then we get the other side of the face. Not even joking, you guys. This is exactly 100% what I did. And I went out looking like this, and I thought I looked so damn good. I was lying to myself, okay? So after that, I have this bronzer from Clinique, and I've had this since I was like 6, and I had to keep it because it's so nostalgic. It's the Clinique Soft Pressed Powder Blusher in Chestnut Blush. It's number 5. And guys, look at this, look at this. It's almost hitting pan. It's so close to hitting pan. Now I would take this brush, I would rub it around in the blush, which is very pigmented as you can see, and I'm gonna tap mine off. So that was about that for the bronzing. I might put a little bit up here too. So yeah, that's that. Next, I would take I got an e.l.f. brush set for Christmas, and this was one of the brushes from e.l.f. And this was 2015's Christmas, and I thought I would. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Illuminating Palette. Now let me just show you that I've definitely used this. This is like one of the only products I've hit pan on. Well, you can see why. I would take this e.l.f. brush here, this face brush, and I would just, for minutes on end, just rub it across these two highlighting shades, just back and forth, picking up all the powder until you had this much on there. Then, because I really wanted my highlight to be popping, I would take my mirror. Okay, that's what I'm doing. Okay, do you see this powder brush? Just a streak. Never did anything else. That was 100% it. I got this for 2015's Christmas as well. It's the Eyes, Lips, and Face palette from, well, e.l.f. And it's the Day to Night. Yeah. Now, let me just show you guys this. It is so powdery everywhere. Like most pans have hit pan because I used this for such a long time, alright? So many things. But you know what the shade stood out to me the most is this blue right here. It's the shimmery blue that everybody in the early 2000s, shout out to Tanya, used with a little bit of white eyeliner, which is what I wanted to do. I wanted to get this frosted eye look. Now, when you guys see this, you're going to flip out on me. You are going to ask me what happened to me to help me fix this, and it's called the internet. It really did help me out a lot. So I would first take this e.l.f. brush, this fluff brush right here. It's like a blending brush, okay? And I would take this shimmery blue. I would coat my brush in this shimmery blue, and I gotta see a mirror to do this because I really want to see how it turned out. So I would do frosted on the lids, alright? I would just do this like really weird looking frostiness here. Frosting it, I would take the bottom of my eye and go like this. Okay, then I took my flat brush from e.l.f. and I would take this gold shade up here, which looks like that, and I would go like this, and I would just swipe right. We're not done. I took a flat line brush, this guy here, and I would go into like this sparkly smoky white shade. And then I would just put it in the center here. You're probably wondering, was this your Cleopatra makeup routine? Yes, it was.
Makes my soul wanna cry.
Just the e.l.f. brightening eyeliner pencil with a warning sign on the back. So I sharpened it for you guys. And I would just go in the waterline because I used to do lots of different plays. So when the makeup artist would put eyeliner under here, I thought, oh, this is how you do it. And whenever I would do this makeup routine with my friends, they also thought it looked amazing. And what they said was, it must hurt to do that to your eyes. And I was like, oh, well. And I always did it to freak them out because they always thought it would hurt. And then I just put a little bit of a sloppy line on the top. Then I would take my Maybelline Rocket Volume. And I've loved it so much in the past, and I still do, that I bought new ones. So this one is not from 2015, obviously. Why would I do that to my face? I would give myself an eye infection, 100%. Coverage here. So this bright pink, Barbie pink lipstick, because I wanted to look like Barbie so bad. My eyelashes are sticking together. Now, this is very moisturized, so it gives a nice pink. Okay, I didn't want any kind of like nice pink. I wanted like Barbie doll opaque pink. Okay? And I would just rub back and forth like this. I seriously did this. I would just go back and forth and back and forth and back and forth until I got the Barbie pink I wanted, which I did get. Then I would take my Park Avenue Princess from Tarte, and this is so old and disgusting that I'm afraid to use it. Yeah. It smells bad. Why am I doing this? And then I would just blend it out. And then I have that shimmer. So guys, I can't do a highly narcissistic montage for this because it's really bad and there's no looking cute about it, but I will show you a in the sun close up. So guys, after a long while of 20 minutes of my time, 19 minutes of my time, this is what I showed up with, and I look like I hopped out of Jersey Shore. This is really bad. I can't believe I did this every day, like facepalm moment to the gods. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this super cringy throwback video. I hope you enjoyed the Jersey This is really, really terrible, and I'm gonna have to go take all this old crap off my face before I get some sort of like eye infection or reaction because like disgusting. I hope you really enjoyed this video. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
It ain't my fault you keep turning me on. It ain't my fault you got me so gone. It ain't my fault I'm not